how to add emergency contact to the emergency contacts group on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on contacts. Then tap on the menu button on the left hand side. Next, you want to tap on groups to expand the list. Then go down and tap on emergency contacts. From here, tap on add emergency contact. In here, we can then scroll down and then select a contact that you want to add to the emergency contacts group. Then tap on done. So at the moment, I have 2 members in this group. And at the bottom there, you can choose to show on the lock screen or not. And it said here, emergency contacts are people you trust to help you in an emergency. They will be contacted if you start emergency sharing. You can also show them on the lock screen for quick access in an emergency. So here is on the lock screen. Then you want to swipe across and then tap on emergency call. You can see in here, it will show emergency contact, which you can tap on it. And here say make an emergency call. And then that will make the call. It does show the contact name, but it does not show the contact detail. And that's it. Thank you for watching.